Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor menta kasni. Ka Shillong Press Club kalayo ya ki nongkit kamba thamai nagabenta kalai snam hadin ka jingtha vote nagabenta banjie ki khot thamai ka Shillong Press Club SPC. Ya katei ka jingje thamai ya ki nongkit kam kalalong menha ka sni thoding jong ka santarik unai tung 8,000 pusau ha shlam trekam jong ka club ka badon halo shumia da ka bashuta vote dadu ka por shipho baji menstap pat ka kot hadu ka por sau baji janmit balanyo sandon ya ka vote ha ka ju ka sngi ya kani ke election ka blajit ya ki nongkit kam bathamai jong ka Shillong Press Club lapan ya da ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations ka jingjer biang yakin nong kit kam bathamai jong ka Shillong Press Club kadai hadin kha sausnam ha ka jing thavut kila poi hadu shi spa an ri pasang wot ki badai ki dikhot jong ka Press Club kila dab banthap ya ka vote jong ki na ka banta banjit ya president ba treasurer bathama jong ka club ki nong yakon ha kani ki election banjit nong kit kam bathamai ki kanthop ya uba jo thangkhiu na ka shlam ka BTC TV Deimaya Siangshai na kaslam umawpor bad uba Rafael Warjeri na kaslam Media Plus. Kita ikilaingot kidai ki kertong banyakon na benta ka kam president jong ka club. Ya ka kam treasurer ki kertong no yakon ki kintop ya uba jam shom hat na kaslam upet ngor bad uba Martin nong klaw na kaslam BTC TV. Hadin balayo ban Kenya ki vote uba Deimaya Siangshai na kaslam umawpor ulalong unong job kum presiden bathama jong ka Press Club da ka bayo hadu khandai pwai vote kadba uba jo thangkiu ulayo nriu pinyo vote bad uba Rafael Warjeri ulayo tang nriu vote na kam treasurer pat unong job hakani ka jingtha vote udai uba jam shom da shispa khalai vote na ka shlam upet ngor kadba uba Martin nong klaw na ka shlam BTC TV ulayo da san phau vote
Shri Jershomi, please. Gershom. Okay, Gershom had secured 113 votes. And Shri Martin Nongla secured 50 votes. So your new treasurer is Shri Gershom Han. Gershom Han. And now I'd like to invite the new president of the Shillong Press to please come and collect his certificate from our respective directors. The new president of the Shillong Press Club will receive the certificate from our director, sir.
It has not been easy because there was nothing in writing in the beginning when we were requested to conduct the election for the Shillong Press Club, which is, I believe, is a prestigious institution because all of you are professionals, all of you are prestigious, all of you are esteemed. With that in mind, we thought how to start with it and strike a balance with all the views.
not only in the Sharia but in the Northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and successful. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the Deimaya who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the